here we go. This was my first time attempting to download this screen recorder. Since it was my first time, I had to go ahead and download the actual screen recorder. It took about a minute, very fast. I was then prompted with the settings menu, which gives me like the option to increase the volume on my narration, on my microphone, the resolution, that sort of thing. This software makes it easy to record your webcam screen or both. Follow the step-by-step guide and you can create perfectly polished videos in no time. Use the screen recorder to make how-to videos, tutorials, e-learning videos, product walkthroughs, and more. From what I can see so far, and from what I've watched so far, it's very simple to use. Everything is written in black and white, very simple. Yeah.